Okay, 40 yards. I shot 3 shots at this target, and all I could find was 1 hole. So I thought, what's wrong with this thing? This was where my first shot of the day. Then I was adjusting the scope, and that was playing with that one. But anyways, so this one, so I'm like, okay, something's not right. Maybe they're flying off the target. So next shot, I did 1 shot at this target. You can see the difference in the size of the hole. Then I did the next shot here. I flinched that one just a little bit, but you can see that they're all right there. So you can see there's nothing here. I'm gonna do a 3-shot group at this one and we'll see what we get. Okay, we're gonna do a 3-shot group, Durkin Tactical, 223 Wylde, 10.5-inch barrel. Here we go.
Okay, shoot. Perfect.
3 shots touching. Amazing. 52 grain bullet. Okay, there we go. There's a 3-shot group. 40 yards. Not the best rest, but just did 3 quick shots, and they're touching. Probably with a lead sled you'd get good. I don't know how the heck I did those. Pure luck, I guess, but you can see that baby shoots. Happy with that. I'll upload the video will be right before this probably, so this is close up at the target so you can actually see what we got going on. So, very happy. Boom. That was 3. Boom. Boom. 3. Flincher.